Are you tired of staying up until 3 a.m. editing videos, wondering if your titles will flop, and slowly losing your mind trying to crack the YouTube code? What if I told you there's a way to grow your channel while you're literally sleeping? Today, I'm revealing 5 game-changing secrets that most creators completely miss, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at YouTube growth the same way again. Let's start with secret number 1. You don't need to hustle yourself into burnout. You need a system that works without you. Here's the brutal truth most creators won't admit. Grinding 24/7 isn't a badge of honor, it's a recipe for disaster. If you're pulling all-nighters, juggling dozens of video ideas, and praying the algorithm gods smile upon your next upload, you're doing everything the hard way. YouTube success isn't about doing more things, it's about doing the right things once and setting them up to keep working automatically. Think of your videos like investments. You want to create assets that continue generating returns long after you've moved on to something else. This is where smart creators separate themselves from the exhausted masses. The secret weapon here is leveraging artificial intelligence tools specifically designed for YouTube creators. These platforms can generate video ideas faster than your brain can process them. Write compelling scripts in minutes and conduct keyword research that would normally take hours. Instead of spending your precious creative energy on repetitive tasks, you can focus on what actually matters, bringing your unique personality and perspective to your content. Secret number 2 addresses the biggest roadblock every creator faces. Starting is always the hardest part. You know that feeling when you open a blank document and suddenly forget how to form coherent sentences? That cursor just blinks at you like it's mocking your creative abilities. Writer's block isn't just annoying, it's paralyzing. The solution is never starting from scratch again. Modern AI tools can analyze successful channels in your niche and generate topic ideas based on what's actually working right now. Need a script outline? Done in seconds. Want to transform an existing video concept into something completely new? Easy. These platforms give you a creative foundation to build upon, eliminating that terrifying blank page syndrome forever. The beauty of this approach is that you're not copying content. You're using data-driven insights to spark your own creative ideas. It's like having a brainstorming session with the most successful creators in your space, except it happens instantly and you don't have to share the credit. Moving to secret number 3. The algorithm loves consistency, but you don't have to become a content robot to deliver it. Everyone knows you need to post regularly to stay relevant, but nobody wants to feel chained to their upload schedule. The game changer is batching and scheduling your content creation. Instead of scrambling to create videos daily, dedicate one focused session to generating a week or month's worth of content ideas and scripts. When you're in that creative flow state, capitalize on it fully. Generate multiple video concepts, write several scripts, and plan your content calendar in advance. Then use scheduling tools to automate your uploads while you focus on other aspects of your business, or simply take a break. Organization becomes crucial here. Project management tools can help you track which videos are in ideation, scripting, filming, editing, or scheduled phases. This systematic approach transforms chaotic content creation into a smooth, predictable process that doesn't consume your entire life. Secret number 4 might surprise you. Stop chasing viral moments and start building searchable content. Virality feels amazing, but it's often a flash in the pan. Searchability creates compound growth that pays dividends for months or years. YouTube isn't just social media, it's the world's second largest search engine. People actively search for solutions to their problems, answers to their questions, and entertainment in their areas of interest. When your video appears in search results for relevant queries, you're capturing intent-driven traffic that's much more likely to subscribe and engage with your content long-term. Effective optimization goes far beyond stuffing keywords into your title. It involves understanding search intent, analyzing competitor content, and crafting titles, descriptions, and tags that speak both to the algorithm and your target audience. AI-powered optimization tools can analyze trending keywords and suggest variations you might never have considered, giving your content the best possible chance of being discovered. The 5th and final secret ties everything together. Growth isn't about doing more work, it's about doing less work with better tools. If you're trying to handle every aspect of your YouTube channel yourself, you've accidentally turned into a one-person production studio. No wonder you're exhausted. The most successful creators understand that their unique voice and personality are their most valuable assets. Everything else can and should be systematized or automated. When AI handles your ideation, scripting, and optimization, you can focus on the parts of content creation that actually require your human touch. Your authentic reactions, your personal stories, your unique perspective on topics, these are what make viewers subscribe and keep coming back. This shift from grind mode to smart creator mode isn't just about productivity, it's about sustainability. Building a YouTube channel should enhance your life, not consume it entirely. With the right systems in place, you can create consistent, high-quality content while maintaining your sanity and having time for everything else that matters to you. The future of YouTube belongs to creators who embrace these systematic approaches while maintaining their authentic voice and unique perspective in an increasingly crowded digital landscape.